Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the hardness of water. Hardness of water. So what is meant by hardness of water? So presence of bicarbonates, sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium causes hardness of water. And hardness of water further classified into two types: temporary hardness of water, permanent hardness of water. Temporary hardness of water, presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. That means calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate causes temporary hardness of water. Next, methods for removal of temporary hardness of water: boiling and Clark method. Next, permanent hardness of water. So what is meant by permanent hardness of water? So presence of sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium causes permanent hardness of water. And methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. First method is very important, by adding of washing soda. Second method is Kalgram's method. So these methods are completed in previous class. Hardness of water definition, temporary hardness of water, permanent hardness of water, methods for removal of temporary hardness of water. Next, methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. Actually four methods. First one is by adding of washing soda. Second one is Kalgram's method. So these methods are completed in previous class. And next one heading methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. Methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. So first one, methods for removal of temporary hardness of water, close, boiling and Clark method. Second one, methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. Actually four methods. First method is by adding of washing soda. Already completed. And second one is Kalgram's method. So it is also completed in previous class. By adding of washing soda. And second method, Kalgram's method. So these two methods are completed in previous class. Okay. Next, the third method. So methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. Actually first method by adding of washing soda. Second one, Kalgram's method, Na6, P6, O18. Next, the third method is very important, permutic or geolite method. Permutic or geolite method. Third method very important, permutic or geolite method. Permutic or geolite method. First of all, permutic or geolite formula. For example, Na2, Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. Na2, Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. And it is also called hydrated sodium, aluminium, hydrated sodium, aluminium, orthosilicate. It is also called hydrated sodium, aluminium, orthosilicate. And it is also called very important, artificial zeolite. It is also called artificial zeolite. And the shortcut formula Na2Z. So if this Z is equal Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. Na2Z. Z means Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. Okay. So actually third method for the removal of permanent hardness of water, that is permutic or zeolite method. Generally permutic formula Na2, Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. And it is also called hydrated sodium, aluminium, orthosilicate or artificial zeolite. And shortcut formula Na2Z. Z means Al2, Si2, O8, X moles of water. Okay. So first of all, permanent hardness of water. That means presence of calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride causes permanent hardness of water. Okay. So first of all, calcium sulfate formula CaSO4 plus addition of permutic, that is Na2Z. Second one, magnesium sulfate Formula MgSO4 plus Na2Z. Na2Z, zeolite. Next one, calcium chloride formula CaCl2 plus permutate formula Na2Z. Na2Z. Next, magnesium chloride formula MgCl2 plus Na2Z. Na2Z. Okay. So permanent hardness of water. So presence of calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride causes permanent hardness of water. Okay. CaSO4, MgSO4, CaCl2, MgCl2. And addition of zeolite or permutate Na2Z, 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 Na2Z. Clear. So very simple answer. Very simple answer. Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus CaZ. CaZ. Okay. Next one same. Na2SO4. Na2SO4 plus MgZ. MgZ. Mg capital M. MgZ. MgZ. Next one same, very simple. 2 moles of sodium next to 2 chlorine atoms. 2NaCl. 2NaCl. 2 moles of sodium chloride plus CaZ. CaZ. Next one very simple. 2 moles of sodium next to 2 chlorine atoms. 2NaCl. 2NaCl plus MgZ. 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 So this is permutate or zeolite method. Zeolite. Very simple. Calcium sulfate formula CaSO4 plus Na2Z. Na2Z. Z means Al2, Si2, OH, X moles of water. So Na2SO4 CaZ. CaZ. Next, magnesium sulfate plus Na2Z. Na2SO4 MgZ. MgZ. Next, calcium chloride plus Na2Z. 2 moles of sodium, 2 moles of chlorine. 2NaCl plus CaZ. Next, Na2Z plus magnesium chloride. 2 moles of sodium, 2 moles of chlorine. 2NaCl plus MgZ. So this is third method for the removal of permanent hardness of water. That is permutate or zeolite method. Zeolite method. And last and final method, fourth one, synthetic resin method. And fourth one is synthetic resin method. Synthetic resin. Synthetic resin method. Synthetic resin method. Resin method. So first one by adding of washing soda. Second one important method, Colgan's method. And third one is permutate or zeolite method. And fourth one is synthetic resin method. That means cationic resin and anionic resin. First of all, cationic resin. Cationic resin. Best example of cationic resin, that is carboxylic acid. For example, RC double bond OH. Best example of cationic resin. Cationic resin. RC double bond OH. Plus metallic ions. Metallic ions. For example, generally permanent hardness of water. That means presence of calcium sulfate. Next, magnesium sulfate. MgSO4. Next, calcium chloride CaCl2. Magnesium chloride MgCl2. So calcium sulfate converted into Ca plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2. Magnesium sulfate Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2 sulfate ion. Calcium chloride Ca plus 2 plus Cl minus ion or 2Cl minus ion. Next, magnesium chloride Mg plus 2 plus Cl minus ion or 2Cl minus ion. 2Cl minus. So first one is cation exchange reagent. Cation exchange reagent. Only cations. That means calcium plus 2 and magnesium plus 2. Calcium plus 2 and magnesium plus 2. So cations are calcium plus 2 and magnesium plus 2. Cations. Only cations. Cations means positive charge. Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2. So first one is cation exchange resin. Cation exchange resin or cationic resin. So Ca plus 2, calcium plus 2 ion. Metallic ion. Metallic ion. But 2 moles of carboxylic acid RC double bond OH are cationic resin. Cationic resin. So very simple answer. So 2 moles of R C double bond O taken twice. R C double bond O taken twice. Ca calcium Ca. And byproduct is 2H plus ions. 2 moles of H plus ions. So RC double bond OH act as a cation exchange resin or cationic resin. Okay. Same RC double bond OH but 2 moles of RC double bond OH. 2 moles of RC double bond OH plus second cation, that is magnesium plus 2, Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2, same answer. So R, C double bond O taken twice. R, C double bond O taken twice. Next magnesium formula Mg. Magnesium formula Mg. And byproduct is 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2H plus ions. 2H plus ions. So this is cationic exchange region. Cationic exchange region. That means exchange of cations. Exchange of cations. H plus ion and Ca plus. Next one, anion exchange resin, that is R bond, NH3 bond, OH, anionic resin. First one cationic resin, and next one anionic resin, that is R bond, NH3 bond, OH. Plus anions, for example, sulfate, next one chloride. Sulfate and chloride. So sulfate formula SO4 minus 2, chloride formula Cl minus. So first of all, sulfate ion formula SO4 minus 2, anion. But 2 moles of anionic resin, R bond, NH3 bond, OH. So very simple. R bond, NH3 taken twice. R bond, NH3 taken twice. Next SO4. R bond, NH3 taken twice. SO4. And byproduct 2 OH minus ion. 2 moles of OH minus ion. Anion exchange resin. So first two reactions are cation exchange reactions, and next reaction is anion exchange reaction. Next same anion exchange resin or anionic resin, R bond, NH3 bond, OH. R bond, NH3 bond, OH. Only 1 mole of R bond, NH3 OH. Plus anion, that is chloride ion formula Cl minus. So very simple answer. R bond, NH3 bond, Cl. Only 1 mole. R bond, NH3 bond, Cl. And byproduct is only 1 mole of OH minus ion. So this is synthetic resin method. Very important synthetic resin method. So first two reactions are cation exchange reactions, and second two reactions are anion exchange reactions. Okay. So very simple. So first of all, cation exchange resin or cationic resin, RC double bond OH plus cation Ca plus 2. But 2 moles of RC double bond OH. Simple answer, RC double bond O taken twice Ca. Plus 2H plus ions. Next one, same 2 moles of RC double bond OH and second cation magnesium plus 2. Same answer, RC double bond O taken twice Mg plus 2H plus ions. So these two reactions are cation exchange reactions. And next one, anionic resin, that is R bond, NH3 bond, OH plus sulfate ion formula SO4 minus 2. So 2 moles of R bond, NH3 OH are anionic resin. So simple answer, R NH3 taken twice SO4, and 2 OH minus ion. So SO4 minus 2, so OH minus, anionic exchange resin. Next one, same 1 mole of R bond, NH3 OH plus chloride ion Cl minus OM. So R bond, NH3 bond, Cl plus 1 mole of OH minus ion. So this is synthetic resin method. Okay. So these are methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. Only 4 methods. First one by adding of washing soda. Second one Kaldan's method. Third one percutated or zeolite method. And fourth one is synthetic resin method. Cationic resin and anionic resin. Best example of cationic resin, that is RC double bond OH. And best example of anionic resin, that is R bond NH3 bond OH. So this is synthetic resin method. Hardness of water completed. Temporary hardness of water. Next one, permanent hardness of water. Methods for removal of temporary hardness of water by boiling and Clark method. Methods for removal of permanent hardness of water by adding of washing soda, Kaldan's method, permeated or zeolite method, and fourth one is synthetic resin method. So these are methods for removal of permanent hardness of water. So hardness of water topic is completed. Okay. And next topic. Next separate topic. Next topic. One of the most important topic, in hydrogen and its compounds, that is heavy water. Heavy water. Heavy water. So generally heavy water formula D2O. Water formula H2O. Heavy water formula D2O. And it is also called deuterium oxide. It is also called deuterium oxide. So hydrogen monoxide H2O, deuterium oxide D2O. Okay. So generally heavy water formula D2O, and it is also called deuterium oxide, and deuterium oxide formula D2O. D2O. So very simple. So uses of heavy water. Uses of heavy water or D2O. Uses of heavy water. First use, it is used in the manufacture of or preparation of. It is used in the preparation of deuterium. It is used in the preparation of deuterium. It is used in the preparation of deuterium. And second one, it is used as a moderator of neutrons. Moderator of neutrons. Moderator of neutrons in a nuclear reactor. And it is used as a tracer compound. It is used as a tracer compound for the studying of organic reactions. So uses of heavy water are deuterium oxide. So first use, it is used in the preparation of deuterium. And second one, it is used as a moderator of neutrons. In a nuclear reactor. And third one, it is used as a tracer compound for the studying of organic reactions. Okay. So first of all, heavy water. So generally heavy water formula D2O, and it is also called deuterium oxide. And uses of heavy water. So it is used in the preparation of deuterium. It is used as a moderator of neutrons in a nuclear reactor, and it is used as a tracer compound for the studying of organic reactions. So first one, preparation of deuterium, next moderator of neutrons in a nuclear reactor, next tracer compound for the studying of organic reactions. So these are uses of heavy water. Okay. And next heading properties or chemical properties of heavy water. So heavy water formula D2O deuterium oxide. First one, react with sodium formula Na. Okay, very simple. For example, water, 2 moles of sodium plus water molecule formula H2O, but 2 moles of water. Very simple answer. 2 moles of sodium react with 2 moles of water and to form 2 moles of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and byproduct is hydrogen gas. So this is sodium react with water molecule. Next, same, for example, 2 moles of sodium formula Na plus heavy water. Heavy water formula D2O, water formula H2O, and heavy water formula D2O. So heavy water, for example, 2 moles of D2O, heavy water, or deuterium oxide. So first one water, and second one heavy water. Water formula H2O, heavy water formula D2O. Very simple answer. So 2 moles of NaOH. Next 2 moles of NaOD, and byproduct is D2, deuterium. So NaOD means deuterated sodium hydroxide. Or deuterosodium hydroxide. Actually, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So NaOD means deuterated sodium hydroxide. So first property reaction is sodium metal. Okay, sodium formula Na plus water formula H2O, 2 moles of NaOH plus H2. So substitute heavy water D2O. So 2 moles of Na, 2 moles of heavy water D2O. So 2 moles of NaOD plus D2, deuterated sodium hydroxide, and byproduct is deuterium. Deuterium formula D2, not deuterium oxide. Deuterium formula D2. And next one, react with Basic oxides, for example, sodium monoxide. React with sodium monoxide. Formula Na2O. Na2O. First of all, Na2O plus water molecule formula H2O. Very simple answer. 2 moles of sodium, 2 oxygen atoms, 2 hydrogen. So 2 moles of NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Same answer, for example, Na2O, sodium monoxide plus our compound heavy water. Heavy water formula D2O. Water formula H2O, heavy water formula D2O. So hydrogen, next is deuterium. Same answer. So 2 moles of NaOD. NaOD. Hydrogen, deuterium. NaOD. So compound name is same, deuterated sodium hydroxide. Deuterated sodium hydroxide. So first property react with sodium metal. So 2 moles of sodium react with 2 moles of heavy water. So 2 moles of NaOD and byproduct is deuterium. Second one, basic oxide like sodium monoxide formula Na2O. Actually water to NaOH, but heavy water formula D2O. So 2 NaOD, deuterated sodium hydroxide. Okay. So first property react with sodium metal, and second property react with sodium monoxide formula Na2O. Na2O, and compound name is deuterated sodium hydroxide. Deuterated sodium hydroxide. Next, third one. React with acidic oxides. Acidic oxides. Acidic oxides. For example, best example of acidic oxide, that is sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. Formula SO3. Sulfur trioxide. First of all, water. Water formula H2O. H2O. Very simple answer. H2SO3 plus O. H2SO4. Compound name is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. H2SO4. Next, our compound heavy water. So same SO3 sulfur trioxide, addition of heavy water formula D2O. Water formula H2O, heavy water formula D2O. Same answer. So H2SO4. So next same D2SO4. H2SO4. Next D2SO4. And compound name is deutero. 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 Sulfuric acid. Deutero. Sulfuric acid. Actually, sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. But deuterosulfuric acid formula D2SO4. D2SO4. Okay. So third property react with acidic oxides like SO3. Actually, SO3 plus water H2SO4. Same SO3 plus heavy water D2SO4. H2SO4. D2SO4. Compound name is deuterosulfuric acid. Deuterosulfuric acid. And next, most important reaction, react with calcium phosphide. Calcium phosphide. React with calcium phosphide. So generally calcium phosphide formula Ca3P2. Calcium phosphide formula Ca3P2. First of all, calcium phosphide, hydrolysis reactions of calcium phosphide Ca3P2 plus water molecule formula H2O. H2O. So very simple, calcium plus water, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice plus phosphorus and hydrogen phosphine formula PH3. PH3. Very simple, 3 moles of calcium, 3 moles of calcium, 2 moles of phosphorus, 2 moles of phosphorus. Next, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogen, 12 hydrogen, 6 into 2, 12 hydrogen. So this is hydrolysis reaction. Next, deuterolysis reaction. Deuterolysis, that means addition of heavy water. So very simple, same calcium phosphide formula Ca3P2. Ca3P2 plus heavy water, but 6 moles of heavy water, 6 moles of D2O. Water, next D2O, heavy water, 6 moles of D2O. Then calcium phosphide converted into 3 moles of CaOD taken twice. Calcium, actually calcium hydroxide formula CaOH taken twice, but CaOD taken twice. Deuterocalcium hydroxide. Deuterocalcium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Deuterosodium hydroxide formula NaOD. NaOD. Same sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. Deuterosulfuric acid formula D2SO4. D2SO4. Same calcium hydroxide formula CaOH taken twice. Next, deuterocalcium hydroxide formula CaOD taken twice. OD taken twice. So CaOD taken twice means deuterocalcium hydroxide. Deuterocalcium hydroxide or deuterated calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. And byproduct is actually phosphine. So 2 moles of PD3. H next D. PD3. PD3. Compound name is deutero. Compound name is deuterophosphine. So actually phosphine formula pH3, phosphine formula pH3, but deuterophosphine formula PD3. Okay. So first of all, basic oxide SO3 plus water H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Same SO3 plus heavy water formula D2O, D2SO4, deuterosulfuric acid. Next to same calcium phosphide formula Ca3P2, calcium phosphide plus 6 moles of water, calcium hydroxide plus phosphine. So addition of heavy water, same calcium phosphide, so heavy water formula D2O, CaOD taken twice, deuterocalcium hydroxide, and byproduct is PD3, compound name is deuterophosphine. Actually phosphine formula PH3 and deuterophosphine formula PD3, okay. So first property is sodium metal, second one sodium monoxide, which is basic oxide, and third one is SO3, and fourth one is reaction with calcium phosphide. Next one, fifth property, reaction with magnesium nitride. Okay, magnesium nitride. Generally, magnesium nitride formula Mg3N2. Magnesium nitride formula Mg3N2. Magnesium nitride. Calcium phosphide formula Ca3P2. Magnesium nitride formula Mg3N2. Okay. So first of all, magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Magnesium nitride plus water molecule formula H2O. So very simple answer, magnesium plus water. So magnesium hydroxide, capital M, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH taken twice. Next nitrogen and hydrogen, so ammonia formula NH3. Next same 3 moles of magnesium, 2 nitrogen atoms, Next 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens. So 6 into 2, 12 hydrogen atoms. Same, for example, magnesium nitride, same formula Mg3N2 magnesium nitride plus addition of heavy water formula D2O. For example, 6 moles of D2O. So very simple answer, 3 moles of MgOD taken twice. Deuteromagnesium hydroxide. Actually, magnesium hydroxide formula MgOH taken twice, but MgOD taken twice means deuteromagnesium hydroxide, and byproduct is 2 moles of ND3HD. Ammonia formula NH3. Next ND3HD. Hydrogen deuterium ND3. And compound name is deuteroammonia. Actually, ammonia formula NH3 and deuteroammonia formula ND3. So this is react with magnesium nitride. Okay. So magnesium nitride plus 6 moles of heavy water. So 3 moles of MgOD taken twice, deuterated magnesium hydroxide, and 2 moles of ND3 deuteroammonia formula ND3. Phosphine formula PH3. Deuterophosphine formula PD3. Same ammonia formula NH3, deuteroammonia formula ND3. Okay. And next one, react with calcium carbide. Okay, calcium carbide. So generally calcium carbide formula CaC2. Calcium carbide formula CaC2. So first of all, calcium carbide CaC2 plus water molecule, generally water molecule formula H2O. Then calcium carbide converted into calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice, and byproduct is acetylene C2H2. Byproduct is C2H2, and compound name is acetylene. That is C2H2. And simple, for example, 2 hydrogen atoms plus 2, 4 hydrogen atoms. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of calcium. Next 2 carbon atoms, so 2 carbon atoms. Same calcium carbide formula CaC2 plus heavy water D2O. Water formula H2O. Heavy water formula D2O. So same answer CaOD taken twice. CaOD taken twice. Deuterocalcium hydroxide and byproduct is C2D2. Ester formula C2H2. Next one C2D2 means deuteroacetylene formula C2D2. Actually ester formula C2H2. Deuteroacetylene formula C2D2. Okay, ester formula C2H2 and deuteroacetylene formula C2D2. So properties of heavy water. So fifth one is magnesium nitride formula Mg3N2 and sixth one is calcium carbide formula CaC2. And last one, final property, last one, react with beryllium carbide. Generally beryllium carbide formula Be2C. Beryllium carbide. First of all, beryllium carbide formula Be2C plus water molecule formula H2O. So beryllium plus water, beryllium hydroxide, BeOH taken twice, and byproduct is very important. That is methane. Methane formula CH4. One of the alkane. So very simple. For example, 4 moles of water. So 2 moles of beryllium. Next 1 mole of carbon. Next 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 hydrogens. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 hydrogen atoms. Next same beryllium carbide formula Be2C plus addition of heavy water formula D2O. Simple answer, 2 moles of BeOD taken twice, deuterated beryllium hydroxide, and byproduct is CD4. Compound name is deuteromethane. Actually methane formula CH4, but deuteromethane formula CD4. So these are properties of heavy water. Okay, so heavy water topic is completed. First of all, heavy water formula D2O, and it is also called deuterium oxide. And uses of heavy water, it is used in the preparation of deuterium. It is used as a moderator of neutrons in a nuclear reactor, and it is used as a tracer compound for the studying of organic reactions. And different properties. For example, sodium monoxide, SO3, calcium phosphide, magnesium nitride, calcium carbide, and beryllium carbide. So these are properties of heavy water. Okay, so heavy water topic is completed. Right.